Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. This incredible machine is a game changer when it comes to cleaning your hard floors and area rugs. Not only does this vacuum cleaner and mop combo save you time and effort, but every purchase saves pets. That's right, BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So when you buy this product, you're also helping a great cause with its rotating brush system, swivel head, and carry handle. This cordless vacuum and mop makes cleaning a breeze. You can vacuum and wash your floors at the same time thanks to its powerful 36V lithium-ion battery that provides up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power. And if you have pets, you'll love the improved edge cleaning that easily picks up pet hair along baseboards and in corners. Plus, with Wi-Fi connected capabilities, you can use the BISSELL Connect app to receive helpful alerts, maintenance tracking, and usage tips. Not to mention, the self-cleaning cycle helps maintain your machine's cleaning performance, while the multi-surface cleaning feature makes it safe and effective for use on a variety of floors and area rugs. So if you're ready to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient, click the link in the description to purchase the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop. Trust me, you won't regret it.